Good morning everyone, I am Kritika Paliwal and you are studying English with me. And today we are going to write the remaining question and answer of chapter number 4, How Gajanan Caught the Robbers. Okay, 3 questions we have done in the previous lecture. Okay, so we will start today with the 4th question. Start writing from where you have ended the 3rd question. Am I clear? And just don't forget to put on the date. So please open your notebook fast. Okay. No need to write anything in the index because we have already written that. Okay. So just open your notebook, open the page where you were doing the question and answers and just write down the date. Okay, if you are starting from a new page, write down today's date, or whenever you will start from a new page, just write down today's date. Okay, and if you are writing on the same page, just let it be, don't change the date. Okay, so let's start with question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is the second question given in your book, but it's question number 4 because we have added some extra questions too. So write down question 4. Okay. Open your notebook, sharpen your pencils. Okay. Just do it fast. So question number 4 is, what clue did Pooran give Inspector Gajanan? What clue did Pooran give Inspector Gajanan? Pooran ने Inspector Gajanan को क्या clue दिया था? Okay, that's our question. So, do you know what clue did Pooran give Inspector Gajanan? Yes? Well, I guess you know that because on the basis of that clue only Inspector Gajanan solved the whole case. So, Inspector Gajanan, Pooran told Inspector Gajanan about the 3 dogs that he has seen, right? पूरन ने इंस्पेक्टर गजानन को उन 3 डॉग्स के बारे में बताया था जिसे पूरन ने देखा था चरण के घर से निकलते वक्त. Am I right? So let's just write the question and let's write the answer too. Okay, so question is, what clue? Okay, what clue did Pooran give Inspector Gajanan? Inspector Gajanan, I capital and G capital here. Okay, Gajanan, Gajanan. So, अच्छा क्लू, ठीक है, ऐसे कुछ एक कोई मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज तो नहीं दी थी पूरन ने, है ना? पूरन ने कहा था कि उसने 3 डॉग्स को देखा है, तो हम भी वैसे ही आंसर लिखेंगे. ठीक है, पूरन टोल्ड इंस्पेक्टर गजानन, पूरन ने इंस्पेक्टर गजानन को कहा कि उसने 3 डॉग्स को देखा है. दैट he saw 3 dogs. That's it. Okay, so let's write the answer. So Pooran told Inspector Gajanan, INSPECTOR, Inspector Gajanan, GAJANAND, Gajanan, that, okay, Pooran told Inspector Gajanan that what? He saw 3 dogs. That he saw 3 dogs. Okay. देखो, main answer तो starts from here. सिर्फ इतना ही है main answer, that he saw 3 dogs. But you know, this sentence, this part of the answer is as it is as important as this part. Okay, because this gives us the complete answer. ठीक है, आंसर का मेन पार्ट तो ये है, तो for the remembering purpose you can just in the exam, तो you know this part of the answer is as important as this part. तो सिर्फ इतना नहीं है, देखो you guys are in class 2 now, है ना, हम class 1 UKG वाले बच्चे तो नहीं है कि हम बस एक एक वर्ड लर्न कर लेंगे, है ना, हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा ग्रेजुअली अभी खुद में चेंजेस लाने पड़ेंगे ना, ताकि हम थोड़े थोड़े बड़े आंसर्स भी लर्न करना सीखे, राइट. So just try to learn the answers. Don't leave the answer just because it is big. Try to learn every answer. In fact, try to, you know, make the answers in your own language. Try to answer them in your own language. You know, I will be very much happy when you will do this. Just write this fast and try to learn these answers. Okay? Try to understand them. Try to form them in your own language. Okay? So just don't leave the answer just because it is big. You write it, till then I am writing the next question. Next question is an extra question made by me, of course. So, from where did the thieves enter the shop? And a question mark. And you know, जितना आंसर इम्पोर्टेंट है उतने ही इम्पोर्टेंट है पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स. तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट द फुल स्टॉप. आई टेल यू अगेन एंड अगेन. ओके, एंड देन स्टिल आई फाइंड सम नोटबुक्स जिसमें क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं लगा होता है, फुल स्टॉप नहीं लगा होता है. व्हाट यू गाइस आर डूइंग? This is English, not EVS or any subject. Okay, you have to pay attention on the punctuation marks. Okay, when you are writing in English, you have to pay attention on these marks. These marks are very important. So, please write the question, then we will write the answer. From where did the thieves enter the shop? Just a minute. Shop is not visible clearly. Let me write it here. S-H-O-P. Okay, and a full stop. Oh, sorry, question mark. Just write it fast and we will do the other, we'll do the answer. Okay, ready to write the answer? From where did the thieves enter the shop? Okay, तो we will steal up some things from the question. Okay, हम question में से थोड़ा सा लिखेंगे, है ना? It becomes easy when we write it from the question. तो we'll write it from here. The thieves. Enter will become entered. Okay, the thieves entered the shop from the broken window. कहाँ से enter हुए थे thieves? From the broken window. एक टूटी हुई विंडो से, टूटी हुई खिड़की से they entered the shop, right? So let's write the answer. Answer is the thieves entered. E-N-T-E-R-E-D. कुछ नहीं है, बस ed ऐड कर दिया हमने. We have just added ed to this word. Okay, the thieves entered the shop from the broken window. B-R-O-K-E-N, broken window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Okay, and a full stop. Wait, this is not visible. Beta, this Word is not visible. Let me write it here only. It is not visible there. Okay, this question is done. If this is done, we'll write the answer there. Or else. The thieves entered the shop from the broken window. Okay? Yeah. The thieves entered the shop from the broken window. Don't forget to put a full stop at the end. Write it fast. Acha, what does this word broken means? Broken means what? Broken means टूटा हुआ, जो टूट गया है. ठीक है? Write it. Okay, now I'm rubbing both the answers. So, hope you have done it. Next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. Who jumped out of the third sack? जो थर्ड सैक है उससे किसने जंप किया? ठीक है, फर्स्ट सैक, ट्राई टू रिमेंबर फर्स्ट सैक. द thief was inside. Okay, the thief was inside. He made a sound of a dog. Second sack, another thief was inside. He made a sound of a cat. Third thief, he made a sound of a potato. That was totally rubbish. Okay, तो थर्ड सैक जो है उसमें से किसने जंप किया था? Thief. So a thief jumped out of the third sack. Simply the answer. Okay. So question is, who jumped out of the third sack? And a question mark. Okay. So our answer is a thief. Who की place पे what are we writing? In the place of who, what are we writing? A thief. Thief. Okay. In the place of who, we are writing a thief. Rest of the question as it is we will copy in the answer. Very easy. The most easiest answer of the whole chapter. Okay. तो a thief के बाद just copy down the question. Jump out of the third sack. Okay. Very easy. And a full stop here. ठीक है, हमें ही लगता है कि क्वेश्चन आंसर सबसे डिफिकल्ट होते हैं, बट बहुत इजी होते हैं अगर आप जो आंसर मेकिंग, जो वो आर्ट ऑफ आंसर मेकिंग अगर आप सीख जाते हैं तो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आर एज इजी एज द एमसीक्यूज. ओके, Please write it fast. A thief jumped out of the third sack. अच्छा, एक ही thief बाहर आया था, तो we have written a thief. Okay? Then 2 more questions are remaining. So just please write it fast. Question 7. Why didn't Puran admit that he had seen the thieves? If I tell you the meaning of the question, why did not or didn't Puran admit that he had seen the thieves? पूरन ये मानने को तैयार क्यों नहीं था कि उसने थीव्स को देखा है? ओके, पूरन ने ये क्यों नहीं बताया या माना कि उसने थीव्स को देखा? That's the simple meaning of the question. So why? Can you tell me why he didn't admit that he has seen the thieves? Okay, that he had seen the thieves? Because he was afraid of the thieves. Why? Because he was afraid. Afraid means डरा हुआ. Because he was afraid of the thieves. वो thieves से डर गया था. ठीक है, तो उसने सिर्फ he has told Inspector Gajanan about the 3 dogs only. Am I clear? So let's write the answer. अच्छा, now answer making, like answer writing art. What is it? Question में से we make the sentence and then the main thing we add up at the end. Okay, so let's write some things from the question. So starting from here, Puran didn't, where is it? Didn't. Okay, admit, this word, that he had seen the thieves ओके देखो इतना तो वी हैव wrote from the question, इतना तो हमने क्वेश्चन में से लिखा है. नो नीड टू लर्न दिस सेंटेंस. ओके, नाउ whatever I am going to write now, that thing you have to learn. ओके, बट ये तो आप क्वेश्चन में से ही लिख सकते हैं. दैट्स द मोस्ट easiest thing. ओके, नो नीड टू रिमेंबर spellings and all. Just try to remember कि what things we have covered from the question. Okay, so Puran didn't admit that he had seen the thieves because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because means क्योंकि. Okay, because Puran, okay, he was afraid, A-F-R-A-I-D, because he was afraid. Now see, from here to here, this is our answer. Okay, rest of the things we have written from the question only. So just please write it fast. Puran didn't admit that he had seen the thieves because he was afraid. Question number 8. The last question of the chapter. Question number 8. That is question number 5 from your book. Okay. So, what did Charan tell Inspector Gajanan in the end? Charan ने Inspector Gajanan से end में क्या कहा? What did Charan tell Inspector Gajanan in the end? Thank you, obviously, right? Because Inspector Gajanan caught the thieves, punished them, and Puran got back all the things again. Puran को वो सारी चीजें मिल गई जो चोरी हुई थी, तो what else he will tell? Thank you, right? So thank you कहा था. Let's write the answer and the question also. What did Charan tell Inspector Gajanan in the end? What did Charan, C-H-A-R-A-N, did I say Puran in place of Charan? Pardon me for that, because the names are quite, similar to each other, that even sometimes I by mistake tell the wrong name. You don't do it, okay? Why did Charan, the owner of the house जिसके घर पर चोरी हुई थी, why did Charan tell Inspector Gajanan? I capital of Inspector, right? I-N-S-P-E-C-T-O-R. Gajanan. In the end. Question mark. Okay, E-N-D, end. You can find this question in the book also. So what is the answer? Very easy. Charan told thank you to Inspector Gajanan. Charan ने Inspector Gajanan से thank you कहा था. Okay, isn't it easy? It is very easy. So let's write it. Charan, C-H-A-R-A-N, Charan told. Okay, this tell मतलब कहना. This tell will become told. Okay, in the past tense. Okay, so this tell will become told. T-O-L-D, told. Inspector, I-N-S-P-E-C-T-O-R, Inspector Gajanan. No, wait. Charan told thank you to Inspector Gajanan. Okay, Charan told thank you to Inspector Gajanan. I-N-S-P-E-C-T-O-R, Inspector Gajanan. And full stop. Okay, here your question answers are over. Okay, the question answers of this chapter, they are over here. So 6th question, 7th question, 8th question, just write it first, or you can else take the screenshot, and the most better option is you can just pause the screen and write. So I am getting aside, you please write comfortably. And do complete it today itself, okay? And learn it too. Just one moment, I want to tell you something. कि like all these things that we have done in the question answer. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है तो एग्जाम में सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर्म में आएगा. द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स माइट कम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रू फॉल्स, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, मैच द कॉलम, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. ओके, एंड द मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस और ट्रू फॉल्स, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, व्हाटएवर, दे कैन आल्सो कम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, बट डोंट वरी, इट विल बी इजी अप टू योर लेवल ओनली. ओके, सो ऐसे बस लर्न नहीं करना है, जस्ट try to understand what they want you to understand in the question. Okay, so just understand the things. Okay, because this may come in the form of fill in the blank, true, false, whatever. Okay, so it is not like it will only come in the form of question and answer. Okay, so just be ready for the exam. Open up your mind. Okay, वो ऐसे याद करने वाली strategy we guys are not following. Okay, so just write it fast, and soon I'm going to end the lecture. So just pause the screen or take a screenshot. I'm ending up the lecture. Yeah. So okay, this is it for today's lecture. We'll meet in the same lecture on this time only, at this time only, same time, same place and same channel. Till then, you complete your work, study hard, okay, prepare for the half yearly, and bye bye, take care.